tighten the exhaust up. Shouldn't have a leak anymore. I'm gonna try to fire it up. It is low on fuel. Put it up in there, I think, for it to start. See how it sounds. So today what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to start sanding the car down, getting ready to paint it. Like I said, obviously we still have a problem, that bearing, the rod knock in there. Honestly, probably get maybe, if we're lucky, a week and a half out of it, or it could just blow up as soon as we pull out of here. Either way, don't really care. Have been able to finally get another motor, so we're just going to go ahead and get it sanded in the meantime. Alright, so I went ahead and took the bumper off. We got it all sanded down. I'm gonna go ahead, get it taped up. And yes, I know this is a rattle can, but right now we are not too concerned with it. So now, through the power of editing, everything's up. I just got to tape up the windows. Got the front and rear bumper off, tape everything up, and then I'm gonna spray this thing. I'm going ahead and I'm gonna send it. Probably gonna get some hate. Doesn't really matter. I think it might turn out pretty decent. Be back in just a second. So the worst part, in my opinion, taping everything, is done. Now, first of all, I know everybody's gonna be like, "Well, you didn't take the mirrors off. You didn't take that off." You're right. You're 100% right. But considering, again, if you really want to know how much we paid for this car, $300. So $300. Again, not really too concerned with the exterior of the car. It's really supposed to just be all about the motor. We're going to go through and we're going to paint it. What makes it even better is, yes, do we have, you gotta forgive that great paint job. Do we have the guns and everything else to paint it? Sure do. But I saw on another video a guy painted a trick spray gun and some Massey Ferguson tractor paint. And that is exactly what we're going to do with this. So I'm going to get everything set up, and then we're going to spray the car, and we're going to see how it turns out. Alright, so that is it sprayed with some tractor paint. Massey Ferguson gray. Got some runs that's obviously gonna have to be taken care of. But in my opinion, it didn't turn out too bad for $35 worth of paint materials. So obviously now I'm gonna let it dry, come back, wet sand everything down, get those runs out, and then get the polishing on it. But again, and I know the white's not that great, but I think it'll do. Especially for right now, considering I've got maybe $350 tied up into it. So again, right now, just gonna let everything cure. Next thing, gotta put the radiator back in. That was out, but the inside is absolutely filthy. Can't really see it too great in here, but definitely gonna be doing a video on detailing it. By about that time, should be when the motor gets in here. So we can go ahead and get that swapped out. It's coming along good. If you've already been watching, appreciate it. If you hadn't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Be trying to get it knocked out as soon as possible for you. It's been a fun little car to mess with. This is day 2, so making pretty good progress. Other than that, y'all take it easy.